This is the lift in the Hugh Mackenzie building at Victoria University. It's an old hydraulic lift. It's been modernised by Schindler. Not sure who made it. Here we are at 2. So the absolute hunk of junk that was this FIAM has been replaced. We have a new KONE. Original shaft doors, but it is a full replacement. Let's go to 2. This is awesome. Bearing in mind that the original lift was hydraulic as well, and now it's an MRL traction, it's not only more reliable, but it's also a heck of a lot faster. Custom indicator. And let's go back to 2 and we'll finish up there. So yeah, installed 2025, capacity 15 persons or 1,150 kgs. And here we are back up at 2.
Second floor.
Yeah. The shaft doors are original. Dot matrix external indicators. And new logic cabinet, because like I say, it's been full replacement. Was hydraulic, now MRL traction. Super awesome. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video and you want to see more, then you can visit my channel and see over 1,000 more videos, or you can subscribe to see my latest videos when they're released. You can also follow me on Instagram, where you can see more exclusive, fresh and original content.